What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Moises back at y'all with another one and a quick Yeezy update. So let me know what your first impressions are. The first look of the 700V3 Fade Carbon that is reported to possibly be dropping this summer, possibly late May, early June. Let me know what you guys think. So taking a look at the shoe, you can see that it's going to be gray on the toe box. Going down to the sole, you have that vintage age sole on the 700V3 like they are on all the rest of them. Then you have the purplish grayish cage that's making its way back to the end of the sole that comes out to be like a purple pinkish. So I think this is a great shoe for the summer. Let me know what you guys think. Would you be copping if it drops this summer, or will it be a pass for you? As you guys already know, we got something similar but different colorway. It was the copper fade that was kind of like a brownish greenish 700V3 colorway. I thought those were dope also. So let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you guys like these quick Yeezy updates that keep you informed of what's going on in the community. And as you guys know, as far as sizing goes with 700V3s, just like 700V2s, half size up. So let me know what you guys think. Moises signing out.